What's happening, everybody? If you're tuning in, you obviously want to know about recovery slides. Well, let's jump into it. First things first, what are recovery slides? You may not know, so let's give you a little info there. Now, recovery slides are soft, cushy, rubberized sandals like these that usually have some sort of ridge or little pillar that sticks into your feet, very reminiscent of like walking on stones or something, but it's meant to massage your feet after a long day of hiking or an ultra marathon, or geez, even recently with these, running through airport terminals for several days for work. Now, I just recently got these Cove recovery slides that are a collaboration between Danner and Huckberry. And I had wanted a pair, so I contacted my friends at Huckberry and I was like, hey, can you guys send me some? And they said, absolutely, so they sent them over. I wasn't even planning on making a video with these, but the actual result of using them was so good that I felt I had to share with all of you. It was wild. It was a great trip, but wild. And when I got home, these things were sitting on the table and I was like, whew, my dogs are barking, right? So I'm just like, I'm just gonna put these on while I get everything put away for my trip, because it was super late at night and I just wanted to get everything sort of put away so that I could get a shower and go to bed. And so I slipped these bad boys on, and like immediately when I started walking around, I was like, holy cow, these things feel amazing. Now, what's so good about them is if you look, they have obviously the little divots that come up and kind of poke your feet and massage as they go down. But a lot of things get that wrong. Like if you think about like the very first sort of recovery slide that was popular, it was back in the 90s, and it was those Adidas with the little tubey things that came up and just kind of poked you. And like, yeah, they poked you as you moved around and it felt sort of good, but it was missing a key element that these have, which is cushioning. Now these things are super squishy on the inside, so that your foot just kind of sinks in, but that harder ridge up at the top pushes up into your foot, and it feels amazing when your dogs are barking. And then beyond that, on the bottom, it's got a nice rigid Vibram outsole, which helps with like shaping your foot because it's like a cupped ridge sort of here, and it just holds your foot nicely, and that rigidness that's on the bottom keeps you from going too out of shape and being too soft, which is what you don't want in a recovery flip-flop. But it's just a great balance of everything. And I've been so stinking impressed with this that I just had to share. And not to mention the design that Huckberry and Danner came up with for this is great. It's like a duck camo with the gum Vibram sole. It just looks super good. Now, I will say, if you have wide feet, like these probably aren't going to work for you, because my feet are pretty narrow. See, they're like kind of shaped like a pair of skis because they're long and skinny, and they fit great on me. And if you look, there's a little more space here, but it's only, you know, like that much space that runs all the way down the edge for my relatively narrow foot. So a wide foot may just not work here. So I just wanted to let you all know that, because I always get questions for wide-footed people asking me, hey, does this fit people with wide feet? This one I'm not sure about. It kind of depends on how wide your foot is, but you kind of saw there what you're working with. The other thing that I would say is, if you're in between sizes, I would definitely size up, because usually I'm a 12 and a half or a 13 in US men's, kind of depending on the company. And so they obviously don't have a 12.5, so I went with the 13 instead. And you can see there's a little bit here and a little bit back here, but again, not a ton. And if I went down to a 12, it definitely wouldn't have fit me like it's supposed to, because even with that extra little bit of space, you can feel the ridge where it goes up on your toes is hitting me exactly where it should be. And also the arch support ridge is hitting my arch exactly where it's supposed to be now. So I feel like that would probably have been messed up if I sized down. Yeah, all in all, if you're looking for a good recovery slide that also is kind of cool looking, definitely check these out. Because like I said, I wasn't planning on making a video about these. They didn't send me these with the idea of me making a video for them. This was just a thing that I wanted for myself. But the results of having worn it for several days now have been so amazing that I just had to share it with all of you guys. All right, see ya.